Tired of struggling with fishing line and split rings? Check this out. These are the 7-inch split ring fishing pliers designed to make fishing tasks faster and easier on the water. One thing I like that it is the multifunctional design. One of them is split ring. Let me open. Let me show you split ring. Look at here. Okay, you can open like that split ring, and you can put like that easily. The one is cutting line. Okay, this one you can cut line easily. Look, even the strong one. Let's make double. Look, okay, it's cutting easily. The other one, the split shot weight, you can put your line like that. Okay, then with this one, look, crimp spring shot weight. And other things, you can remove the hook from the fish like that. With this one, you can adjust the hook angle. Another feature that I really like this part is removable. Look at, you can make as a whistle. Look, this is very useful. Another one is, it's a small knife. With this one, you can make a fire at the camping, and here, look, you can make your hook sharper like that. This is so useful. You can lock like that, you can lock like that. Look, okay, it's locked. Look, and unlock. Okay, and it's coming with the box. You can put it like that, and you can attach with this one. Look, you can attach like that. You can attach like that. When you are fishing, you can use like that. Another feature is you can attach like that your fishing bag. You can carry like that. This is so useful too. Another feature I really like that this is the stainless steel construction. It feels strong and durable. It feels strong and durable while still being lightweight enough to carry all day. Okay, this is lightweight, but it's strong and durable. Looking durable fishing plier that combines several tools into the one compact package. This is a great choice. Thank you for watching.